Thursday, 2/6 March 2020 for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. The next scheduled forecast will be issued at 1830 Eastern Daylight Time. Lake Superior. Saturday, wind south 15 knots, backing to east 15 in the morning. Sunday, wind northeast 25 knots. Monday, wind north 25 knots, diminishing to light late in the day. Whitefish Bay. Saturday, wind light becoming east 15 knots late in the day. Sunday, wind northeast 20 knots. Monday, wind north 20 knots, diminishing to light late in the day. Lake Huron. Saturday, wind light increasing to east 20 knots in the afternoon. Sunday, wind east 25 knots, becoming southwest 25 late in the day. Monday, wind southwest 20 knots, veering to northwest 20. Georgian Bay. Saturday, wind light increasing to east 15 knots in the morning and to east 25 late in the day. Sunday, wind east 25 knots, becoming southwest 25 late in the day. Monday, wind southwest 20 knots, veering to northwest 20. Lake St. Clair. Saturday, wind east 15 knots. Sunday, wind south 15 knots, increasing to southwest 25 late in the day. Monday, wind southwest 20 knots. Lake Erie. Saturday, wind northeast 15 knots, veering to east 20 in the morning. Sunday, wind south 20 knots, increasing to southwest 30. Monday, wind southwest 30 knots, diminishing to northwest 15. Ice forecasts for the Great Lakes issued by Environment Canada at 1200 Eastern Daylight Time, Thursday, 2/6 March 2020 for today, tonight, and Friday. The next scheduled forecasts will be issued at 1200 Friday. Western Lake Superior. Open water except 1/10 thick lake ice along parts of the shore. Consolidated very thick lake ice in a few bays. Eastern Lake Superior. Open water except 2/10 thick lake ice along parts of the shore. Whitefish Bay. 7/10 thick lake ice except consolidated thick lake ice in most bays. Northern Lake Huron. Open water except 6/10 medium lake ice, including 2/10 thick lake ice near the Straits of Mackinac. Southern Lake Huron. Open water. North Channel. 7/10 thick lake ice. Consolidated thick lake ice in the western and eastern sections. Georgian Bay. Open water except 6/10 medium lake ice, including 2/10 thick lake ice in the northeastern section. Consolidated thick lake ice along parts of the northeastern shore. Lake St. Clair, Lake Erie ice-free. Navigational warnings replace notices to shipping and shall be construed as notices to shipping. The following navigational warnings are still valid. Navigational warning Charlie 0223-20, Great Lakes. The seasonal recommissioning of Canadian Coast Guard navigational buoys is underway in the Great Lakes sector. All navigational warnings older than 1 week are available on the National Navigational Warning website at nis.gcc-gcc.ca or contact Sarnia Coast Guard Radio. The latest weekly mean water level for the week ending March 23, 2020 Lake Superior is 0.35 meters above chart datum. Lake Huron is 1.27 meters above chart datum. Lake St. Clair 1.44 meters above chart datum. Lake Erie 1.40 meters above chart datum. This is Sarnia Coast Guard Radio continuous marine broadcast using transmit facilities located at Sarnia and Port Burwell on Channel 21 Bravo, and at Kincardine and Uniden on Channel 83 Bravo. Technical marine synopsis for the Canadian portion of the Great Lakes issued by Environment Canada at 1030 Eastern Daylight Time Thursday, 26 March 2020 for today, tonight, and Friday. The next scheduled synopsis will be issued at 1830 Eastern Daylight Time. Systems position. At 1030 Eastern Daylight Time today, departing ridge located on a line northeast-southwest over southeastern New York State. At 1030 Eastern Daylight Time today, trough located on a line northeast-southwest over Georgian Bay. By 1030 Eastern Daylight Time Friday, departing trough located on a line northeast-southwest over Virginia. At 1030 Eastern Daylight Time today, ridge located on a line northeast-southwest over Thunder Bay. By 1030 Eastern Daylight Time Friday, ridge located on a line northeast-southwest over Whitefish Bay. Marine forecasts for the Canadian portion of the Great Lakes issued by Environment Canada at 1030 Eastern Daylight Time Thursday, 26 March 2020 for today, tonight, and Friday. The next scheduled forecast will be issued at 1830 Eastern Daylight Time. Fog implies visibility less than 1 mile. Winds are for offshore areas. Nearshore winds may vary considerably due to shoreline effects. Western Lake Superior. Wind northeast 15 knots, diminishing to east 10 near noon, then becoming light early this evening. Wind becoming south 10 near noon Friday, then increasing to south 15 Friday evening. Eastern Lake Superior. Wind northeast 20 knots, diminishing to northeast 10 near noon, then becoming light early this evening. Wind becoming southeast 10 near noon Friday, then increasing to southeast 15 Friday evening. Whitefish Bay. Winds north 15 knots, diminishing to north 10 near noon, then becoming light early this evening. Wind becoming southeast 10 Friday evening. Fog patches dissipating near noon. Northern Lake Huron. Wind northwest 15 knots, diminishing to north 10 this afternoon, then becoming light early this evening. Wind becoming east 10 late overnight and becoming light Friday evening. Southern Lake Huron. Wind south 20 knots, diminishing to north 15 near noon and to north 10 early this evening. Wind veering to northeast 10 near midnight. Wind northeast 10 Friday. Periods of rain this morning. Northern Georgian Bay. Wind northwest 10 knots, increasing to northwest 15 early this afternoon and diminishing to north 10 early this evening. Wind veering to northeast 10 near midnight and becoming light near noon Friday. Periods of rain ending this afternoon. Southern Georgian Bay. Wind southeast 20 knots, diminishing to northwest 15 early this afternoon and to north 10 early this evening. Wind veering to northeast 10 near midnight and becoming light near noon Friday. Periods of rain ending this afternoon. Lake St. Clair. Wind southwest 15 knots, diminishing to light near noon, then becoming northeast 10 early this evening. Wind south 10 late overnight and becoming light Friday afternoon. Rain tonight. Western Lake Erie. Wind southwest 15 knots, diminishing to light early this evening, then becoming northeast 10 near midnight. Wind veering to east 10 near noon Friday. Periods of rain tonight. Eastern Lake Erie. Wind southwest 15 knots, diminishing to light early this evening, then becoming north 5 late overnight. Wind diminishing to variable 10 near noon Friday, then becoming northeast 10 Friday evening. Periods of rain this evening. Other weather forecast areas and made-for codes are available upon request from Sarnia Coast Guard Radio. Wave height forecasts for the Canadian portion of the Great Lakes issued by Environment Canada at 10:30 Eastern Daylight Time Thursday, 2/6 March 2020 for today, tonight, and Friday. The next scheduled forecast will be issued at 18:30 Eastern Daylight Time. Wave heights are for offshore and are forecast from trough to crest. Nearshore waves may vary considerably due to shoreline effects. Western Lake Superior. Waves 1/2 to 1 meter, subsiding to less than 1/2 meter this afternoon, then building to 1/2 meter Friday evening. Eastern Lake Superior. Waves 1 meter, subsiding to less than 1/2 meter this afternoon, then building to 1/2 meter Friday evening. Whitefish Bay. Over open water, waves 1/2 meter, subsiding to less than 1/2 meter this afternoon. Northern Lake Huron. Waves 1 meter subside.